Extractor time.
Oh, there are no wasps.
Oh, the wasps love me, man.
Wow.
That is amazing.
There's other tracks.
Jeez. Oh, bucket. Look at these tire tracks. I love how thick they are.
Yes, skipper! Gosh, there's a seat to operate the back. Oh, you teach you how to drive it?
Yeah.
So obviously no stick, so...
Yeah. Okay, so you've...
So, okay. Great. And then you go. Woo! There's a seat belt. I've never used that.
Ooh, Bill. Cresta Butte, baby. Weston, is this also your first time here?
Yeah.
Amazing. Look at this Bronco. All right. That's so me. That is so me.
That pancake got me feeling heavy.
My chicken salad sandwich made me feel like, ooh. Gunnison. My God. Hi, it's been a while. I know. I've missed you. I hope you've missed me. If you haven't, don't tell me, you know? But if you have, you could tell me. Welcome back to the channel that I made when I was 10 years old. I've been wanting to bring this back for a really long time, like ages. I want to start just making little capsules of what I do. And for the next couple months, I'm gonna be changing a lot of what my life looks like. So I want to document that, make silly little things. And that's fun, because it's just gonna document what I'm doing. For now, welcome back to Clay's Cool Creations. I can't wait. Check this out. Wow. I hiked this in dress shoes. Are you excited about Clay's Cool Creations being back?
I'm so excited. Got it.
This weekend, we were gonna snowboard. How was the snowboarding, guys?
Oh, it was great.
70 degrees.